I,
I, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, do swear in the name of God.
There was one name that was not a part of any national media outlet's list of probable new faces who would be a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's revamped Council of Ministers till a few hours before the swearing-in ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on July 7th. The name was that of three-time Rajya Sabha MP Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Rajiv Chandrasekhar has been appointed as Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Rajiv Chandrasekhar has been serving the nation for 15 years as an MP. He said that he is honored to have been chosen to be a part of PM Modi's team as Minister of State, a team that is working to build vibrantly growing, prosperous India.
It is a great honor and a privilege for me to be given this opportunity to serve in this ministry. Thanks to the Prime Minister of our country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, giving me this opportunity. As you are aware, Digital India and Skill India are two tremendously important pillars that will shape the future of our country, shape the future prospects of the youth of our country. And I'm pleased, honored and indeed privileged to be working with the team at METI and of course the team at the Skill Development Ministries to be able to realize the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji of creating an Atmanirbhar Bharat, of creating a new India that is prosperous and that creates opportunity for every young Indian in every part of this country. Great feeling of the work to do that I take charge of my office today.
Rajiv Chandrasekhar is currently a third-term Rajya Sabha MP and a vocal advocate in the Parliament on governance, information technology and economics. He is an independent member of the Rajya Sabha representing Karnataka. In his first term in 2006, he was the first to raise the 2G scam issue in the Parliament. His focus areas remained on economic reforms, governance, technology, internet, youth issues, issues concerning national security and sustainable city governance of Bengaluru. In 2018, he was re-elected to the upper house from the same state for the third time as a BJP member. He is also the party's national spokesperson and vice chairman of the Kerala wing of the BJP-led NDA. He has since advocated for governance reforms, institution building, internet freedom, national security, the welfare of armed forces personnel, and infrastructure development in Bengaluru and Karnataka. Currently, he serves as a member of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, member of the Public Accounts Committee, member of the Joint Committee on Data Protection Bill 2019, member of the Consultative Committee of MOE and IT, Ministry of Communications, and member of the Indian Council for World Affairs. He is also the Vice Chairman of Vivekananda International Foundation, Center for Economic Studies, and the convener of the National Coalition to Protect Our Children. He has also advocated for voting rights for the armed forces and succeeded in the Supreme Court. As the founder of Flags of Honor Foundation, he has helped many veterans and braveheart families across the country. He has also consistently campaigned for the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act. He is the founder and managing trustee of the RC Foundation, which focuses on programs aimed at primary education for children who come from economically weaker sections, and his Nama Bengaluru Foundation, which works towards making the city into a model city and aims to be the voice of the city in the areas of governance, reforms, and citizen participation. He has been at the forefront of raising finances and resources for tsunamis, defense personnel, and other issues. He has shown interest in public-private partnerships for the country's developments and finances, along with national security. Rajiv Chandrasekhar was born in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, to a military family. His father was an Air Commodore of the Indian Air Force. He studied in schools across the country and studied engineering at the Manipal Institute of Technology. He did his master's in computer science from the Illinois Institute of Technology and then attended a 6-week advanced management program at the Harvard Business School and got his doctorate of science from Visvesvaraya Technological University. He was a senior design engineer and the CPU architect at Intel's microprocessor team and worked under Windham and current CEO Pat Gelsinger. In 1994, after returning to India, he founded the BPL Mobile and was one of the first to invest in the Indian telecom sector. In July 2005, he sold his 64% stake in BPL Communications to the Esser Group for $1.1 billion. He then founded Jupiter Capital in 2005 with an initial investment of $100 million and currently has investments in managed assets of over $800 million in technology, media, hospitality, and entertainment.